Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about hot book niches. So if you are interested in knowing a new niche that's hot and upcoming, one of my friends, Michelle Bruderbaker, actually has a new course, and I actually talked about it in my last video, Hot Book Course Niches 1, and there's actually a Hot Book Course Niches 2, and I will have the links in the show notes below along with a coupon for the first course link. So this is the second one, course 2. I've actually done both of these courses and I think they're really amazing. She comes up with some such fabulous ideas, and these are actually fairly easy books to commit to create. And one of the things I really like about them is that there aren't a huge amount of people in this space yet, but I had a lot of luck when I put in my books that they're actually selling daily now at this point in time, and I have some pretty good ranks on several of them. And one of the things I'm going to actually talk about in one of my next videos is if you start and launch a new book, how do you get it starting to sell? So we're going to actually talk about advertising in my next video, so I hope you'll be around for that. But if you have a new niche, especially something there's not a huge competition for, you've really got to jump in and start selling books. You've really got to jump in and kind of get them out there in front of people, because you'll find that as soon as you put it out there, if you try and search in the search bar, there's like no way you're going to find your book. And there's a few reasons for that. One of the reasons is, of course, that Amazon, it takes them a while to index your book for the keywords you have in the back and all that sort of stuff. But you can kind of tell Amazon the keywords you want them to look for and people to find your book for by using advertising. So that's something we're going to talk about when you launch a book, something that you can do that is really helpful. All right, I just wanted to give you this, that you know that this is out there and that you are interested. Then go down to the show notes and use my link, and there's also a coupon for the first course. Thanks so much. Bye.